In this video, we are going to discuss about the order by. So you can see this is a table, and in this table you can see employee ID, name, department, salary, joining date, and gender. Okay, so this stuff, all those information I'll give in the description. So I will do one thing. I will write a script here in SQL and another script in DSL. So let me first write in SQL. So you can see we have created a DF and we have created a temp view. Okay, so temporary view is EMP. So let me run in SQL. So spark.sql, and then let me select whole stuff, select star from EMP order by. Let me do order by salary. Okay, let me show. You can see uh, the name is changed here, the arrangement is changed, and here the table is rearranged by the salary. Okay, 45,000, 46,000, and earlier it was 50, 75. Okay, so this same things how we can do in DSL. So df dot, we need to use sort or order by. Either we can do it using sort or order by. Let me do using sort, and here we need to give salary. Okay, and let me do show. Let me run this one, and you can see this is also order by. Okay, by default it is ascending, so let me do the descending order, DESC, and here also let me run this one, order by salary descending. You can see descending 90,000 is above all, and here in ascending order in DSL you can see 45 is above in the top. Okay, so let me do here the salary is a descending order. Okay, so how to do that? Let me do descending. So descending is not coming here, so what we need to do, before salary we need to give a dollar, and now let me check. You can see descending should be there. Sort no in the sort here, ascending and descending. Okay, and then let me do show. Let me run this again. You can see 90 is on the top and 85, and before it was uh, 45. So let me do ascending order. By default it is ascending, and here also ascending, ASC. Okay, and you can see in SQL and DSL how they work. You can see 45 is on top and 45, the minimum is on the top. Okay, so here another thing, suppose we need to select employee ID, employee name, and salary as descending order. So how to do that in Spark SQL? So let me write a script. Select, we need employee EMP ID, name, and salary as order salary. Okay, from the table name EMP uh, order by salary. So here we will be getting select employee ID, name, and salary as order salary from employee table order by salary. Okay, so order by salary will be let me do it as a descending, DESC. Okay, then let me do show. Let me run in SQL. You can see employee ID, name, and order salary, the descending order. Okay, So here, if we need to run this in DSL, how to do that? So now here, first we use sort. Either we can use sort or order by. Let me use, instead of sort, let me use order by. So first we need to do select. What we need to select? uh, we need to select empid, and then next is name, and next is uh, salary. Okay, here s. So s is not coming, you can see. So I need to do one thing. I need to, before that I need to use this dollar, and before name also dollar, and here also dollar. And you can see now, if I type dot, then s is coming. Okay, as order salary, and then dot show uh, order salary. And then we need to do one thing, we need to select and group by order by. Okay, so instead of sort, we are going to use order by salary, and dot show. Let me run this one. You can see same output here and here also. Okay, order by salary in DSL also. So you can use sort or order by. uh, you can use both of them, and here only you can use order by in SQL. Okay, so if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.